In this video, I'm going to show you how to add zoom effect in CapCut on PC. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself some video footage in there that you want to zoom on. In my case, I'm going to use the library and some stock footage. Let's put this one. You drag it into your timeline and then you click on it to select it. And then you have to go under the Effects tab over here and then click on Lens, which is where the zooms can be found. And then scroll down here to where you can find zoom lens. Okay, so there are two zooms in here, as you can see. One is a mini zoom, which does this. So if I click on it to preview, as you can see, it kind of wobbles in and out a little bit, but we don't want that. We want a smooth little zoom in. Okay, so in order for us to get this, you have to click on the zoom lens. As you can see, this is exactly what we want. So we have to drag it down here onto the video. And as you can see, it now has the effect. Now if I play the video, as you can see, it starts zooming in and then goes back out and then starts zooming in again and goes back out. So you can play with the range and speed over here on the right. So you have to have your effect selected by clicking up here to click the edit effect, and you can change the range you'd like it to zoom and the speed you'd like it to zoom. Now, if you put the speed to the left, it's going to zoom very slowly, and if you put it to the right, it's going to zoom in very, very fast. And this is how you add the zoom effect in CapCut on PC. And if this video helped you out, make sure to drop a subscribe, and that's it.